At Scarborough Sixth Form we offer 2 Level 3 engineering courses. They're both 2 years in duration and both include examined units and internally assessed units. The extended certificate is equivalent to 1 A-level and you'll study 6 units over the 2 years. Maths is the cornerstone of all engineering courses, and so there's a minimum entry requirement of grade 5 at GCSE. An appreciation of the science behind things like electricity, materials, fluids and thermodynamics is essential for a deep understanding of engineering topics. On the electrical side, the principles behind things like motors, generators, power supplies and logic are explored. And on the mechanical side, forces, levers, pulleys, gearing and dynamic systems are all investigated. Going into more depth, being able to communicate design solutions, select appropriate engineering materials, design components for manufacture and optimize designs are all important engineering disciplines. Nowadays, the widespread use of computer-aided design software by all engineering sectors makes this a must-have skill to acquire, and you'll be using the industry standard AutoCAD to produce high-quality designs. Now, the diploma is equivalent to 2 A-levels, and in addition to the 6 units that we've already discussed for the extended certificate, you'll also study a further 6 units over the 2 years. Now, the impact of everything we do on the environment is increasingly important, especially in the kind of industries that you may find yourselves in, and this unit helps you to consider the sustainability of engineering practices, the use of renewable power sources and environmental targets, and the latest environmental innovations. The Electrical and Electronic Design unit helps you to apply AC and DC circuit theory to circuit designs. You'll learn how to apply a systems approach to electrical design and to understand power supplies and power systems. You'll also learn how to design circuits using semiconductors. The Materials unit helps you to understand material structure and the classification of material properties, standard forms and failure modes. You'll also learn about material processing techniques and the applications and benefits of modern and smart materials. Now, nowadays, understanding programming techniques is almost mandatory across all engineering disciplines, so you'll learn how to program embedded devices in a system and how to program programmable logic controllers. Printed circuit boards are ubiquitous now in most electrical and electronic devices and equipment, and you'll become familiar with all 3 production methods: photoresist method, the etch resist method, and milling and engraving. You'll design and produce your own PCB and populate it using components. Simulating electrical and mechanical systems is becoming more and more necessary as the complexity and cost of production increases. You'll learn how to carry out simulations to establish reactions in moving mechanical assemblies and the manufacturability of components or products. You'll also learn about finite element analysis and computational fluid dynamic simulations to assist in the operational performance of components. Now, as well as all the science, the maths and the tests, you'll also have an opportunity to participate in one of the engineering-based extracurricular activities, such as the Jaguar Land Rover 4x4 competition, in which we won the North of England regional final in 2020.